Nutella stuffed cookies. They're going to be all melty and gooey and delicious. First things first though, we need to get our aprons on. And now, not going to be preheating our oven right now. We're first going to be freezing our Nutella. I'm using Vego, but that's just the one that I wanted to use. You can use any type that you want. And we are going to do 7 heaped tablespoons of Vego onto a plate with baking paper. About this size. Now we've got 70 heaped teaspoons of Vego. We're going to pop it in the freezer for around half an hour to an hour. See you when they're cooled. Now we're going to make our cookie dough. As always, all the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box below. And for this recipe, you will need sugar, brown sugar, butter, 1 medium egg, vanilla extract, bicarbonate of soda, chocolate chips, corn flour, salt, and plain flour. Let's mix them all together. First things first, we need to whip together our butter and brown sugar in my stand mixer. You want to mix the mixture so it's light and fluffy, just like a cloud. And now I'm going to scrape down the sides. And whip it again. Once you've reached the right consistency, you want to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 medium egg. Try not to get any shelling, that's the hardest part. And now we're going to mix it all together. Now it's all mixed together, we're going to, in a separate bowl, sieve our flour, corn flour, salt, and bicarbonate of soda. Let's do that. Let's sieve our flour. Okay, so it's more like flour volcano. Oh, actually before we whisk this all together, we need to preheat our oven to 180. I'm just thinking there. Whisk it all until it's well combined. When that's all combined, we're going to pour it into the wet ingredients and then mix it all together. Oh no, I've got flour hand. It's really sticky because of the corn flour. I don't know what makes corn flour sticky. And now we mix. Now we're going to fold in the chocolate chips into our cookie dough. Make it a chocolate chip Nutella stuffed cookie. we're using a lined baking tray with a piece of baking paper. And roll a piece of cookie dough into a bowl. You want it to be the size of a tablespoon scoop. Roll it into a bowl, flatten it out, and then grab a piece of Nutella. Nice Vego Nutella. Oh, mine to be bigger. Oh no! Sorry. Now we're going to wrap it around our Nutella. Make a dumpling, basically, and then press it together in your hand so it's nice and sealed. You don't want any runaway. Oh wait, you can't see me. You don't want any runaway Nutella. Now place that and do this to the rest of your Nutella pieces. You want them to be spread out because they will spread a bit in the oven, but they don't have to be too spread out because they won't spread much. Did you know that cookie comes from the Dutch word koekje, which means little cake? So I guess right now we're making tiny little Nutella cakes. Now they're all shaped, we're going to pop them in the oven for 12 minutes. Safety first. Now let's put our cookies in the oven. See when they're done? And ta-da! Here are our Nutella stuffed cookies. Little cakes. Well, let's break one apart and see what it is. Let's try some. They taste epic! You won't want to miss out on this one, guys. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Follow along for more videos. Make sure you try these cookies because they're amazing. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!